Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Teacher Rose. Today, I want you to learn about the sound of the letter L. The sound of the letter L is oo, oo, oo. Okay, I have a lot of things in here that starts with oo sound. Okay, the first one I have oo, oo, lemongrass. Ooh, ooh, lemongrass. Ooh, ooh, lipstick. Ooh, ooh, lipstick. One is ooh, ooh, line. Ooh, ooh, line. Ooh, ooh, lion. Ooh, ooh, lion. Ooh, ooh, ladybug. Ooh, ooh, ladybug. Ooh, ooh, leaves. Ooh, ooh, leaves. And ooh, ooh, lady. Ooh, ooh, lady. Ooh, ooh, lock. Ooh, ooh, lock. Okay, let's review all the names again. The first one is ooh, lemongrass. Ooh, lemongrass. Ooh, lipstick. Ooh, lipstick. Ooh, line. Ooh, lion. Ooh, lion. Ooh, lion. Ooh, ladybug. Ooh, ladybug. Ooh, leaves. Ooh, leaves. Ooh, lady. Ooh, lady. And ooh, lock. Ooh, lock. This time, I want you to say the names by yourself. The first one is what? What is it? Lemongrass. And this one is ooh? Yes, lipstick. Ooh? Lion. Ooh? Lion. And this one is ooh? Ladybug. And ooh? Leaves. Ooh? Lady. And the last one is lock. Okay, our letter L has an uppercase and a lowercase. When we put them together, and then it looks like this. Okay, the sound of our L is ooh, ooh, ooh. I have three capital letters in here, and I want you to identify which one is ooh. Okay, let's review first. The first one is n. This is n. And then this is and this one is o. Again, o. So I'm going to rumble all of these letters, and then please identify which one is o. Okay, is this o? No. And is this o? No. And how about this one? Is it o? Yes. This is oo sound. I'm going to rumble this one again, and please point which one is o. Okay, here we go. Can you point o? Is it o? No. Is it o? No. Is it o? Yes. This is o. Okay, this is the uppercase o. So this time I have three letters again, but they are all lowercase. So let's review first. The first one is and then the second one is n, and then this one is o. Okay, so I'm going to rumble these three letters, and please point or identify which one is o. Okay, here we go. Is it o? No, no. Is it o? No, no. Is it o? Yes. This is o sound. So this time, I'm going to rumble again, and then you have to point which one is o. Can you point the o, please? This one? No. This one? No. This one, yes, you're right. This is U. Yay! This time, I'm gonna show you our capital and the small one. This is our capital U, and this one is the lowercase U. And this is our U sound. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you like my video. If you like it, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel, and then hit the notification bell for the next video. See you again. Bye bye. Sawadee ka.